Here it goes. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here with another episode of making juice. I am going to make mango, ginger, and passion fruit. Although you see my passion fruit look like this, they're good. Okay, I already clean up all my stuff already. So what I'm going to do is here. The ginger smells so strong. Let me tell you something about ginger. It's very, very, very healthy stuff to drink. Yes, it makes the juice refreshing and nice. Also the tea. Oh Lord. Try the tea. And you see what I'm talking about. You know, I always blend my ginger first. I just like to blend my ginger first. Strain it off. It's not too much. Sometimes some of these ginger don't give strong taste if you don't use a lot. I'm telling you, look, so nice. I'm telling you, they might look a little old, but the fruit is there. Nice. Oh my God, look at juice running out. Look at juice running out. Look at juice running out. Wow. This mango look good. This mango is so, you see the sugar in this mango. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna do my ginger first, as usual. You know I love my ginger. This is not too much. All right. Put a little water in it. Oh yes. My ginger is ready. Strong juice. Okay, this is my mango. See it? See how pretty it is? Look. Pretty and nice. I need to strain. Okay, Okay, this is my passion fruit. I'm just gonna have my passion fruit just stir, not to blend, because I don't want them to see to open. See them see to open. Good. You can still get your seed to plant. Okay, to sweeten my juice, I told you that I'm not gonna use any sugar. I'm just gonna use the Tang. Give it a nice taste. Mango sweet, so I'm not gonna put a lot. I think 2 and a little will do that. Okay. Wow. It's looking so good. Smell nice? Very nice. It's mango season and to make juice with mango before it go away. And mango makes such a nice flavor juice. Delicious and nice. Here it goes. To drink some of this. My ice with my stuff here. Wow. Wow. Good. Nice. Nice, nice. Okay, my husband is not here, so I'm gonna drink without him. It's refreshing and very, very nice. Not because it's me make it, very nice. Try it. Okay, I thank you all. Thank you very much. May the Lord bless and keep every one of my subscribers and your family. God bless you all. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a little comments down below. Thank you all for joining with me this far. Bye. Bye-bye.